Cal HFA short sale success. Looking for short sale information? You've come to the right place. Mike Wrigley, certified default advocate, distressed property expert, and your short sale specialist here. Thanks for joining us. Cal HFA short sale success. Your Cal FHA short sale is approved. It's like music to my ears. We got that message this week from our Cal HFA negotiator. I wish I could share names here because the folks over at Cal FHA surely deserve the recognition. They work hard, always look out for the best interest of the investor, but at the same time seem to understand the value of a Cal AFA short sale versus foreclosure. And that's important. Even in this strong seller's market, a Cal HFA short sale still makes more financial sense than a foreclosure. Why, you ask? Simple. There is a 15 to 20% cost savings between a Cal HFA short sale, or any short sale for that matter, over foreclosure. And let's face it, if the servicer knows the property is coming back one way or another, it just makes financial sense to accept the short sale versus foreclosure. The great folks at Cal HFA understand that. Okay, that being said, do they roll over for an obvious strategic default? Oh, rarely. Let's face it, guys, there has to be some threat of hardship to get the Cal AFA short sale approved. The list of reasonable hardships is pretty long, so give me a call if you're not sure if yours qualifies. We are pretty good at framing the hardship correctly, ethically, and always above board. So, here's to the great folks at Cal HFA. Thanks for the hard work you do, not only helping those with needs get into housing, but helping those who need to get out equally as bad. Thanks for all your help. Now, is a short sale right for you? Give me a call, let's find out. We also offer a short sale leaseback program, allowing those who qualify to short sale and stay in your home. Call me for details. Now, to get a better idea of when your home will be worth what you owe, log on to www.shortsaleandloanmod.info for a free estimate, or call me today for a free, no-obligation consultation. Call me today, sleep better tonight, you'll be glad you did, and I'll look forward to hearing from you.